do nothing till you hear from me.
Today I'm feeling mellow, really mellow. It's not that I'm tired or that I have low energy, it's more that I'm feeling like I want to think and move and be at a slow pace. I'm not bursting out of ideas, nor do I want to. I just want to keep that calm feeling. So I've decided I want to do abstract landscapes. I've already filmed an abstract landscape video, and I've pulled those paintings here for reference. Today I'm going to work with reference images for inspiration, and I will keep in mind all those paintings that I've already made and just take the good bits that I like from them, like just keep them in my mind. But I really don't want to put any pressure to do a bunch, just gonna do a few, or to make them look nice, or wonder, are they gonna look nice? Did I discover something new? Did I capture something interesting? I don't want any of this. I want to keep that calm, mellow feeling and just enjoy putting paint on paper. Just chillax, Max. So if you're feeling mellow, you might enjoy this. That was so much fun. It was exactly what I wanted it to be. I didn't stress whatsoever. I stayed super mellow. I have, like, look, I put up all the landscapes I did in the other video, and none of what I did today resembled, maybe this one a little bit, but they're really different than what I did last. I didn't question it. I wanted to work in a more like sleek and minimal manner. Maybe it's because of my mellow mood. And my favorites are the most minimal ones. I'm realizing more and more as I'm taking this abstract journey that I really like when a lot of white is showing, or when the black is contained on a specific area. Doing this, I never thought I would discover so many new things. Like, my little red book of notes is getting full of cool ideas, and I'm sure it's going to serve me for years to come. Like, I'm getting discovered. It's like I'm making a puzzle of what I like, who I am, what I want, and I'm collecting little bits. And each little thing that I'm discovering is a new tool that I want to include in my art practice. It's very exciting. One thing that I'm discovering also is that you might not know this about me, but I'm a really big film photography fan. And I have a bunch of old cameras and I do film photography. and I love black and white mostly, and this is really inspiring me to capture minimalistic landscape and black and white film, kind of like as a starting point for painting, you know, as reference images, but more than reference images, you know, capturing a moment and a feel that you get in seeing something, and then reinterpreting it in a more abstract way, the way that I worked today on these studies. So ideas are bubbling. Feeling good. I'll see you tomorrow.